behind closed doors, inside darkened closets, are secrets. Secrets that quickly turn to skeletons. Lives can so easily be ruined by the turn of a knob. How do I know? Because that's what happened to me. At 13, I had made peace with who I was. During my parents' sober times, I actually thought we were a normal family. But our house beautiful turned into a house of horrors. All of the drinking, fighting, and unhappiness brought on a separation. It was one of the weekends I spent with Dad that I decided to peer into a closet. I seemed drawn to it. Inside, I found much more than I bargained for. From that day forward, my life would never be the same again. Everything I believed about my life and who I was crumbled into a million tiny puzzle pieces. Walk with author Carol Shoemaker as she opens her heart and shares this very personal journey of discovery in Skeletons in the Closet.